Alright, this is, the exit to 10th and Filbert Streets elevator at Jefferson Station in Center City, Philadelphia. This is on tracks 1 and 2. For some reason, the 12th and Filbert exits are blocked off. Ooh, this one talks. Instant door close. Indicator almost completely burnt out. Let's go back down to platform. Very basic elevator, hospital sized. For some reason they have 2 emergency phones in here. I don't know why that is. These are Adams buttons. I think these are Otis elevators. They were installed in 1984 when the station opened. I'll go back up to the street and the tour. They really do not want you to lean against the door. But I like how they have that window in the door. Ring the bell. Doesn't light up. Yeah, I'm fine. There it goes, and that's it.